Hello everyone, welcome to Roboarmy. Today we are building an awesome distance measurement tool that will measure distances and display them in the serial monitor. And also we will show how the ultrasonic sensor works. Let's get started. For this project, you will need an Arduino Uno, an HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor, some jumper wires, one USB cable to upload the code and power the Arduino as well. The ultrasonic sensor HC-SR04 is a device that measures distance using sound waves. It has two main components. Trig, that means trigger pin that sends an ultrasonic pulse. Echo pin receives the reflected pulse. This sensor works just like how bats and dolphins use sound to detect objects in the environment. The sensor emits a sound wave, and when it hits back an object, it bounces back. By measuring the time taken for the wave to return, we can calculate the distance. Since the speed of sound is 343 meter per second or 0.0343 centimeter per microsecond, we use this in our calculation. Now let's connect our ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the sensor to the 5 volt of Arduino. Connect the GND pin to the GND of the Arduino. Connect its trig pin to D9. Connect its echo pin to D10. Make sure to double check your connection with the circuit diagram. And we are ready to code. Download the code file given in the description below. Open the code file if you have already downloaded the Arduino IDE, otherwise download the Arduino IDE first. First we need to define the pins for the ultrasonic sensor. Here we are assigning pin 9 to the trigger pin and pin 10 to the echo pin. This tells the Arduino where our sensor is connected. Next we create the setup function, which runs once when the Arduino starts. Serial.begin9600 starts communication with the serial monitor at 9600 baud rate. Pin mode trig underscore pin comma output function, that is a trig pin sends an ultrasonic pulse, so it's set as an output. Pin mode echo underscore pin comma input function, that is the echo pin receives the reflected pulse, so it's set as an input. Now let's move to the loop function where it runs continuously. Digital write trig underscore pin comma low is a function. In this we set the trigger pin low for 2 microseconds to ensure a clean signal. Delay microseconds 2 is a short delay before starting the pulse. Digital write trig underscore pin comma high, this is a function sends a high signal for 10 microseconds to generate an ultrasonic pulse. Delay microseconds 10 keep the pulse on for 10 microseconds. Digital write trig underscore pin comma low turns off the pulse. Now we measure the time taken for the sound wave to return. Pulse in echo underscore pin comma high measures the duration in microseconds for which the echo pin remains high after receiving the reflected pulse. Now we use this formula to calculate the distance in centimeters. Duration is the time in microsecond. Speed of sound is equals to 0.0343 centimeter per microsecond. We divide by 2 because the wave travels to the object and comes back. Finally, we display the actual calculated distance on the serial monitor. Serial.print distance print the level distance. Serial print distance prints the actual distance value. Serial.print in centimeter adds centimeters and moves to the text line. Delay 500 waits for 500 milliseconds before taking the next reading. And that's it. Now upload your code to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino Uno to your computer using the USB cable. Then select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino Uno. Now upload the code by clicking the upload button. And with everything connected and code uploaded. Now let's test it. Move an object in front of the sensor and check the serial monitor from here. Ensure the baud rate is set at 9600. The distance should change accurately. By making small changes in the code, you can modify the output format. For example, to display distance in millimeters, make these changes in the code. Multiply the distance in centimeter by 10. Let us upload this code in Arduino and check the output. And if you want to display distance in inches, make these changes in the code. Divide the distance in centimeter by 2.54. Now again, connect the Arduino Uno to your computer using the USB cable, upload the revised code and see the result. The distance should change accurately. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Arduino tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions or project ideas. Thanks for watching and happy coding.